When we were looking at Bank Nifty, what I said here is that if market goes above this HVN, then longs are good. If we go below this HVN, then the shorts are good. Now here you can see we test above that and fail and develop inside. Here also we try to go below that, no subsequent range extension, poor trade facilitation, we are back in the range. Now where can we buy on Bank Nifty? Not in this zone, not in this zone. You will only end up getting chopped around. Stop losses will be hit. No continuation, nothing will happen once as long as we are in this zone. Either we go below today's low or we go above this HVN. These are the places where you will get free flowing market movement. Otherwise, something like this will keep developing and you won't get a nice move, nice follow through to your trade, and you will be stuck in a position. All right. So, not a good idea at the moment. We might even come towards this zone. All right. Look at this zone. We can come towards this tail, right, on Bank Nifty. We repaired this gap and then we rejected back up. So you can think of this like this. We might have selling at the top and we might have buying at the bottom, and we might be developing a bigger range. Also possible, all right? Why I'm saying that, all right? Why I'm saying that is because we already had a very, very strong move, a big price coverage, huge move. So whenever you get such a big move, usually market will try to consolidate, go sideways, rebalance their portfolios if they have lost money, hedge their positions and prepare themselves for the next move, next leg. All right. So you need to give market time. Now I'll give you an example here. Market was going higher, consolidation, 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 not doing a good job, distribution happening all along, then market breaks lower and goes here and reverses immediately. Now, why this situation is not the same as this situation? Because we already had done the distribution part here, all right? Then we go, we test that, we do not uncover new demand, we reverse and we go lower sharply, and then we continue very, very sharply, and then there is this climactic action and then we reverse. All right, but here we are into a new high territory. All right, so there is no clear reference where distribution had done has happened already, so we don't know, and this actually might be distribution or reaccumulation. So we need to give it time. If it is reaccumulation, we are going to see something like that, test continuation, something like that. If it is distribution, then we will distribute, then we'll absorb the demand and we will continue lower. If it is just reaccumulation, we might go higher, test and continue higher, or simply go higher. These are the possibilities, all right? These are the possibilities. But right now, I believe we have scaled to new highs. So a consolidation is more likely rather than a quick reversal or, just continuation. Might spend some time in this zone.